everyone. This is the last day for our science booklet. Hopefully you've been able to do these pages with us. Here is the last page. It says scientists blank their findings and share what they have learned. So what scientists do is they communicate. That means they talk to others, they write things, communicate. So it's C-O-M, and then another M, U-N, I-C, A-T, E. It's a pretty long word. So scientists communicate their findings and share what they have learned. So this last part is for you to draw a picture of what you would share if you made a discovery. So I'm going to pretend I found a solution for like an illness. So there's one of the vials, and I'll have the vials in a little container. A little bit of fire underneath to show how that works. And then I'll write with here. Turn the green stuff into a blob. Maybe they need to mix it up with other things. I'm just pretending here, and you can draw whatever you would like to, and just have a little bit of fun. Maybe you even want to draw yourself. So you can draw yourself right over here. So maybe that's me telling about what I discovered, because that's what scientists do. They share their knowledge. That's what we do too, as we are scientists. Okay? Well, I hope that was fun for all of you. Bye, everyone.